Welcome to Course Consultant videos. In this video we will be looking at how course consultants can use the Course Consultant software to provide feedback on the courses. So let's imagine the course consultant got this file with the courses and he went to the forest to check how it looks like. He mentions that there is an area when the forest workers started cutting the tree and he wants to put a comment. So he navigates to the course consulting and selects add location based comment. At that point, clicks in the area where he mentioned, and then he put the comment that forest workers are cutting the trees here. The comment can be reopened by double-clicking on it or moved by selecting the box to appropriate place. Now, as a part of his check, he finds out that this control, this vegetation object, is no longer exists there. It was disappeared as the part of the work. So he can create another comment that will be related specifically to this control by right-clicking and selecting a comment and typing object does not exist anymore. And he may suggest where the new location of the control could be by clicking the suggest location button and clicks, for example, in this crossing. Now you could see that there is an arrow that shows what is the suggested location. Now let's see that the course consultant decides to review the courses when he returns back because everything else worked fine. He selects the course, he looks at it, and then he sees that there is a straight line between controls 7, 8 and 9, and he may see, okay, this is not ideal, it's not critical, but let's suggest that this control could be shifted here. So he right-clicks on the control, clicks comment, and type his suggestion can be moved to control point 48, which was the code of this control. Now he reviews the course and he realizes there is no route choice, so he may suggest to provide the route choice. It can be difficult in this terrain on this map to find an area where a route choice can be provided, but let's see that he decides that this run through the forest can be switched as route choice around this hill and the road on the right side. So he wants to provide a feedback. He selects the leg, right clicks and say type comment. He knew that it was from start to control 3. He can click the transparent window to see that it was correct and selects that the comment is related to start to control 3. Now he types it comment suggesting to provide a route choice, and he suggests the path of the change of the course here. So he thinks that route choice, that if the course has a control here and then it goes to current number 3, this can provide a route choice as I suggested. So he can, of course, to draw the route choice on the map as well, just by clicking on the comment, opening it, clicking add route choice, then he selects put the possible route choice, and the route choice is here. You can see the length. So if he wants to, if there is a route choice, there has to be at least some choice, in this case 2 paths, and the other one could be, for example, like this. And now you could see that there are two different root choices, and you can measure the shorter one has more elevation, the other one is a little bit longer with less elevation. Now the course editor received the file with the comments from the course consultant and can start working on them. Important thing is to realize how to see all the comments. So first, if there would be too many comments, you can basically collapse them and see only small icons by selecting from menu here. You can go to any of the icon and basically expand any of them, collapse them back, or expand them all. The comments are visible in the normal mode when a course or controls is visible on the map. So if I right now switch to another course, you could see that the comments related to the advanced cones disappeared. If I turn off controls, the control related comment disappeared as well. If I want to make sure that I want to see all the comments, I can go to Course Consulting and uncheck Show Comments for Selected Objects Only, which will basically force redrawing all the comments that are on the map. As this is the mode that I don't want when I'm working on them, I will turn it off and I will start addressing the comments. I turn on the control and I could start working. So the first command is the location based, when we know that there is work in progress, but there is nothing what I can do about it right now. For the control, where the vegetation object disappeared, I need to move the control. So what I can simply do, select the control and move it to another object. I decided not to use the crossing of the ditches because the ditches are too muddy after the recent rain, and I use the roadstock instead. I can inform about this the course consultant. You could see that when I moved the control, there was automatically added a comment that control was moved, and I could put here the comment for the consultant. Ditch is too muddy, and course consultant will see it when he opens the comment that I put it here. And I can mark the comment as resolved. The reason why I am doing that is that at this moment, in the normal mode, when I'm working on the comments as course editor, I want to see only the active ones. So I turn off the address comments and the closed comments. Now the comment that I just addressed disappeared. I'm keeping still this one here, just an information, but I know I don't have anything to do with that. So if I go back to here and I see, okay, I have two comments for the course. So the first one is suggesting move to control 49. In order to see 49, I turn on the codes. I see 49 in this one. That was the suggestion. I go click on the control, remove it from the course, and switch it to control 49. When I open the comment again, I see that the control was removed from the course, which automatically made the comment to be removed. So when I click it and refresh, then the comment disappears. So I have one more comment left. The comment is suggesting to create a route choice. So I decide, okay, let's do that. There is no other route choice on the course. I remove these two controls. I create a new one, put it on the rootstock as suggested, and I include it in the course. And of course I go back and set the comment as resolved, which makes it to disappear from the course and from the active comments. If I've another way how I can see all the comments is basically to open the comments window. Here are the comments that are all created and available. You could see there are the color of the comments represents the color which is in here, the only unresolved comments. All the resolved, they basically turned to gray, so I know I have no more work to do here. I hope you found this video useful for you.